Hi everyone, I'm Chaitanya. Welcome to my channel Maths Maharathi, the place to learn mathematics. This is the first video of the series Case Studies, new edition in the board paper pattern by CBSE. So let's start the video. The content of the video are syllabus class 10th mathematics and the deleted portion, which is very important for all of us. Unit wise weightage of marks from a sample question paper released by the board, even chapter wise weightage, and then there is a change in the question paper pattern, revised question paper pattern. The case study questions are included. That's a new addition. So let's start with the first one, that is the syllabus class 10th mathematics. We all know very well all 15 chapters. So all 15 chapters are listed over here. So going to the next one, which is very important for us, that is deleted portion for the academic year. If we observe carefully the tabular form, here are the chapter names, here are the deleted portion as per CBSE, and these are the content questions from NCERT textbook, right? Questions may vary, right? Note point, this is according to my knowledge, deleted questions may vary. So, let's go to the chapter number 1, real numbers, Euclid's division lemma. The sums based on Euclid division lemma are in exercise 1.1. I'll just show you the paper textbook clipping also, this one. Page number 7, exercise 1.1 carries all the questions which are related to the deleted portion from chapter 1, Euclid's division lemma. The second one, polynomials. See here the statement and the simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with the real coefficients. The sums including the deleted portion are exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. This is page number 36. Exercise 2.3. So these are the 5 questions based on the deleted portion from the chapter polynomials. And going to the third chapter, pair of linear equations in 2 variables, cross multiplication method, right? Here we have learnt 3 methods, algebraic methods of solution of 2 pair of linear equations in 2 variables. First one, second one is there, and the third one is deleted. Cross multiplication method is deleted. And that question number 1 from exercise 3.1 contains this cross multiplication method. See, I'll show the clipping here even. Page number 62, exercise 3.5. The question, see at the last, if you see, find it by using cross multiplication method. There are 4 sums given in NCERT book, but these 4 sums they may ask to solve by the other 2 methods, but they will not ask to solve by cross multiplication method, right? And going to this, the fourth one, quadratic equation. Situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. What type of questions are these? If you observe find the value of x for 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 4, such type of questions are there, which is question number 3 from the exercise 4.3, right? So the example 14, example 15, and exercise 4.3, question number 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. These are the questions contain this concept, reducible to quadratic equations. But one point here you need to observe. In the basic paper, sample question paper released by the board, one question from this example 15 or 14 in this SQP, question number 33 is that. But that we need to discuss, right? And then going to the arithmetic progressions. See, applications in solving daily life problems based on sum to n terms, sum of n terms, right? The questions based on this chapter is exercise 5.3, question number 15 to question number 20. So if you open the exercise in the textbook, you will be finding it question number 15 to 20 very easily, right? That is the reason I didn't show it. Coordinate geometry. It's very simple. Coordinate geometry, there are 3 sub-concepts, and the last one, Area of triangle is deleted. That is exercise 7.3. Next, coming to the triangles lesson. We have 5 theorems in this triangles lesson. In that 5, 2 are deleted. Right? That theorem 6.6 and theorem 6.9. What is this theorem 6.6? Is, see, I'll show this clipping. This theorem, areas of similar triangles theorem. Areas of similar triangles theorem, and this is 6.6, and this is theorem 6.9 is converse of Pythagoras theorem proof. See, only proofs of the theorems are deleted, not the sums based on these two theorems. Right? Next. Circles, no deletion, very good. Construction, again in the constructions you have 3 sub-concepts. In the 3 sub-concepts, the second one is deleted. That is construction of triangle similar to the given triangle is deleted. So these are the questions based on this concept. And moving on to the next chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. In the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and in this lesson again you have 4 sub-concepts. In that sub-concepts, the third one is deleted, complementary angles. So exercise 8.3, and there is one sum, question number 3 in exercise 8.4. So these are the sums based on this concept which are deleted, right? And very good one is heights and distances, very easy and less number of sums and very easy to understand the concept also. There is no deletion in this. It is going to help the children well. And areas related to circles. There are only 2 sums, I think. One example, and exercise 12.2, question number 7 is deleted. Right? Note down all this, children. It is going to help you a lot. Surface areas and volumes. In that, you have 4 sub-concepts. In that 4 sub-concepts, the last one, frustum of a cone, is deleted, means 13.4 sums based on this one. And moving to the statistics chapter, mean, there are 3 methods to find. The first 2 are there, and the last third one is step deviation method for finding the mean. That is not deleted. Sorry, step deviation method for finding the mean is deleted, right? You can find the mean by using the other 2 methods, but step deviation method you will not be learning. And cumulative frequency graph, that is exercise 14.4, is deleted. And there is no deletion in the probability because it's very beautiful concept, right? And this column, it's according to my knowledge I have written. The deleted questions may vary, right children? I think it is understood clearly. And then moving on to the next point in the video is unit-wise weightage of marks of class 10th mathematics. Very clearly written here. So when we observe, our 15 chapters are divided into 7 units. Here one point I just want to suggest you all is, you people prepare by taking the chapters into consideration, right? See children, if you take up the units, you will get full marks. Suppose in one paper, in sample 1 question paper, polynomials may vary more marks than these 3 chapters, but in the second paper, pair of linear equations may carry more marks than polynomials. Then if you prepare polynomials, you are going to lose the mark. So always go for unit wise. Take up any unit and prepare well for the unit and go to the next unit and then go to the next unit, like that, right? See, algebra, there are 4 chapters, 20 marks. So if you prepare algebra thoroughly, so 20 marks are there in your hand. And then here trigonometry, these 2 chapters are there, carries 12 marks. So these marks allotted, this I did by observing, by analyzing the question, sample question papers released by the board. I did this work, right? I think this is going to help you for the preparation of the examinations, because the new edition, I said already, the new edition, that is case study. He is giving case study by choosing the units, not this one, okay? Then going to the next one is, this is weightage of marks of class 10th standard mathematics paper. So I already informed you that board is released already the question paper patterns, right? Sample question papers. So this is the analysis of the sample question paper. Now previously we discussed with the unit wise weightage, and now this is chapter wise weightage in the standard mathematics paper. I'll show you the difference, what is the difference between unit wise and the chapter wise weightage. Right, chapter wise, see, real numbers 6 marks, polynomials 7 marks, right? See, now I'll show you the same two chapters in the basic mathematics paper. Real number 6, polynomials 5, right? Reduced here. So they consider the units, not the lessons. Understood? So this is the analysis of weightage of marks of standard mathematics paper, and this is the analysis of basic mathematics paper. Basic mathematics paper, right? Yes. So you may get doubt what is this about. Here this time he has given us the choice, internal choice also for the bits, for the questions, section wise questions and everything. So 3 within the bracket 1 star means from real numbers 1 mark questions are 3. In that one question is internal choice. Again I repeat, 2 questions are given from this chapter. In that one question is internal choice, right? Yes. So now where there are no star marks means 2 over here. So 2 questions are given, but there is no internal choice, compulsory questions, these 2. Coming to this part, section 2, right? CSQ. What is this CSQ? Case study questions, I told you. When we go to the case study questions, you will come to know what is this actually, right? So next we are going to discuss about the paper. In that paper itself, simultaneously, I'll give a brief introduction to case study questions, right? Sample question paper basics. Now the attention is required. Going to the maximum. See, there is no change in this. There is no change even in this. Right? But the paper is divided into 2 parts. Part A, right? Part A and Part B. And both Part A and Part B have internal choice. So this is going to help the children to gain the marks easily. Next, Part A. It contains 2 sections 1 and 2. Right? Section 1. Okay. Section 2. Why I am writing here? When you read and write the pattern of the question paper, you come to know easily what is actually given. Right? I believe it. Section 1. Then section 1 has 16 questions. Internal choice is provided in 5 questions. So 16 questions are there, right? Internal choice for 5 questions. How good, na? And then section 2 has 4 case study based questions. Means question number 17 to question number 20 case study questions. I know you are eagerly waiting what is this case study based questions, and we are going to do many more case study questions also in the forthcoming videos. Each case study has 5 based questions. Means, for example, if question number 17 you take up, there will be a paragraph with the figure and everything will be given, and based on this content, right, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, right, question number 4, question number 5. 5 MCQs they are asking. 5 MCQs. In this 5 MCQs, you need to answer only 4. See how good, na? It's very good to gain. This pattern is really very good to gain the mark. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, any 4, Any 4 you have to answer out of 5. And the same applicable for question number 18, question number 19, question number 20. So totally these are 16 marks and these are also 16. In question number 17, 4 questions, 4 4s are 16. Coming to this part B, question number 21 to 26. So 6 questions, 2 marks each. 6 questions, 2 marks each. Means 2 marks questions, 3 marks questions, 5 mark questions. Like this only he is giving. So 12 marks. And question number 27 to 33. Short answer questions, 3 marks. So 7 questions they are. 3 marks. 21 marks. Question number 34 to 36. 3 questions. 5 marks. 3 questions. 5 marks. 15 marks total. But see, internal choice again. Internal choice provided 2 questions for 2 marks. Right? 2 questions for 2 marks. And 2 questions for 3 marks. 2 questions for 3 marks. And 1 question for 5 marks. Right? Well planned question paper it is. If you study by making a plan, it is very easy to you to get very good marks this year, though the virtual classes happen in the COVID-19. Right? Do you agree? I think many of you agree. See, 5 marks questions are reduced. In that one is choice. Only 3 questions you need to answer. 3 marks question 7. 2 marks question 6. And this section you need to concentrate on the concept completely, because there are no such questions in the textbook now. Right? And these are 1 mark questions. 1 mark short questions, like previously in this part children used to answer MCQs. Now they are going to answer, you are going to answer 1 mark questions. Right? So this is the paper pattern, children, and I think this is very easy to get good marks only when you have a good plan of preparation. Be with me. I'll be teaching everything to you and practice according to it. Surely you all are going to stand at A1. So these are all the questions, and in one video, forthcoming video, we will discuss all these questions. Just I'm showing you the paper pattern and I'll briefly explain what is this case study. Case study based questions, the new pattern edition. Right? Case study based questions. Yes. See, I think you might have idea about a comprehension question in English, Hindi, in language papers. 1 paragraph will be given and few questions related to the paragraph. Right? Already you are trained in that. But here it is mathematics. Everything is possible in maths. So maths, see, one picture is given over here, red fort, and some information regarding this red fort is given. Right? And just have a look at this one. Mathematics teacher of school took her 10th standard students to show red fort. It was a part of their educational trip. The teacher had interest in history as well. She narrated the facts of red fort to students. Then the teacher said, in this monument, one can find combination of solid figures. There are 2 pillars which are cylindrical in shape, and also 2 domes at the corners which are hemispherical. 7 smaller domes at the center. Flag hoisting ceremony on Independence Day takes place near these domes. This is only given. But you can yourself make more questions on this 7 lines of the paragraph. Right? And you all well know now this question, this paragraph is from surface areas and volumes. In that particularly surface areas. See? The 5 questions are given over here. 5 questions are given. MCQs only. So you should be thorough with the concept to answer this. You should be thorough with the concept. It is not like that by-hearted and written and done. No. easily you can gain the mark, right? All the best. Let's meet